Alright, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. Back day. Not many exercises today. We're just focused on building some pulling power. And then we're going to finish off with some pullovers. So warming up for my pull-ups. 155 pounds. Supinated pull-downs. Trying to be explosive on these with light weight. Leading into my pull-ups. And then for pull-ups today, I'm just going light. So a couple reps body weight. We're just doing low reps, pulling hard, trying to get explosive again. So 25 pounds in chain. That's as heavy as I'm going today. Just going to pyramid up until I feel like I can't be explosive anymore. So I did 2 reps there and a set of 3 reps. Worked up to a set of 4 explosive reps and then worked my way back down. So since my forearm injuries, got some tendonitis in my elbows and just feel like my pull-ups are slow. Lost all my pulling power, so that's the focus now. Is going to be I don't want to push the weights up too fast. I'm building these forearms back up. Don't want to risk injury. Seem to be able to pull explosively as long as I'm doing light weights. So I'm pulling every rep with the intent of just trying to mash my chest into the bar. That way, if I get the speed up, then when I get back up to moving bigger weights, they'll just move that much better. The purpose for me is basically the faster you can move weight, the more weight you can move. The more weight you can move, the stronger you get. So it's all important. Important to train different modalities. It's easy to just get stuck grinding away for strength all the time, but important to train heavy, important to train fast. All works together to make you better. So here we are after doing the weighted stuff. I did some 90-pound hangs. That was 45 seconds of hangs. And you can see after that, the body weight pull-ups are snappier. So it's the way it's going to be for a while here. We're just going to be working on getting the pull-ups moving fast with lighter weights. Here, doing some rows, doing a stack, 210 pounds. I hit 10 reps here, and this is just a warm-up for my kroc rows. So I'm pulling there with the intent of speed as well. Then on to kroc rows. So up to 125 pounds today. Last week we hit 110. Kroc rows, same thing. Intent is to be explosive, body English, but also controlled at the same time. So I'm up 15 pounds from last week. Only 15 reps this week. Last week was 18. I could have ground out more reps, but trying to be explosive. So once I felt like the reps were starting to lag and slow down, it was just time to move on to the next exercise. So did 2 sets of kroc rows and then finished off with 3 sets of pullovers. I got these dialed in now. Dropped the pulleys. Great stretch, and just got a wicked lat pump doing these. So I'm really liking these. They're kind of like a lat prayer on steroids. Just wonderful movement. If you've never tried these, get an incline bench, find a cable stack, give them a go. Let me know what you think. That's it for the workout. Have a great night.